Hello, hey CISD family, and welcome to the aftermath of Winter Storm Yuri. Today we are shooting from the transportation facility, and I hope all of you are faring well after the storm. 18 of our 25 campuses were damaged. Fortunately, we were able to bring back the majority of the campuses on Wednesday, and the kids were those that were in person were able to report. However, we had 4 campuses that we were unable to bring back on Wednesday, but the progress is going great with the restoration companies, and all campuses should be fully functional for our in-person students beginning on Monday. It is my honor now to provide our Showcase Employee of the Week, which is August Cravens, one of our bus drivers. She drives route number 903, and here to talk more about August is our Transportation Director, Mr. Philly Bonilla.
Hi CISD family, thank you Dr. Wright for the introduction. My name is Philly Bonilla, I'm the Director for Transportation Department. It's my honor to be here with all of you. In the 29th year I've been working for transportation. This has been the most challenging year, but I'm super proud of all over 200 employees that we have in transportation. They've taken that challenge by the horn, and they have done a wonderful job. I'm super excited to be presenting to you here our Employee of the Week, Ms. August Cravens. She's been with us for 4 years. She's extremely passionate for her job. She truly cares about her students and the safety of her students. For every rider that gets on her bus, right here, she really, truly cares for them. Introduce to you, Ms. August Cravens.
Hi, hey CISD. My name is August Cravens, and I am a bus driver for the school district. I became a bus driver 4 years ago because I wanted to help kids. I wanted to be there for them. I wanted to make a difference. And my kids, I love them. There's not a kid that doesn't cross my bus that doesn't become my own personal kid. I work very hard in making sure that my kids know they can trust me, that they can always come to me, and that I'm always there for them, need be, no matter what. I also have a good rapport with several of the parents. They come to the bus regularly. They always interact with me. I will do my best to go to them versus going to the campuses. As you know, this year has been really challenging with COVID. Our numbers have been very limited. We as drivers have all taken the extra caution to disinfect our buses multiple times a day. Our children are seated very carefully to keep them as far away from each other as possible. I take the extra step, and I've gone to decorating my bus because it makes my kids smile. They love it, and every time the season changes or the holiday changes, they completely look forward to it. I can't think of a better place to work. I love the district. I love my director, Mr. Bonilla. Dr. Wright is phenomenal, and I love my job. That's really all I can say.
August, thank you so much for taking care of our kids and for going above and beyond. And on behalf of Hey CISD, it's my pleasure to present you with the Superintendent's Coin of Excellence.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure.
And if it wasn't COVID, I would give you a hug.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I hope that all of you have a wonderful day, and we are stronger together.